I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Ultimate Asanas for abs. Let's begin. Okay, now let's lay down on your back. Bend your knees and interlace your hands behind your head. And from here, we are going to do crunch. Inhale, exhale, squeeze your belly button down to the spine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And relax. Breathing out. Catch your breath. Breathing for 2. And breathing for 3. Okay, now from here, straighten both arms and legs. You are going to reach try to touch opposite toes, right? So we are going to do 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And now relax. Breathing for 4. And breathing for 5. And from here, a little bit up. And hold, bend your knee and keep it about 90-degree angle. And here, hold. About 8 breaths. Breathing for 3. Breathing for 4. Breathing for 5. 6. 7. And 8. Slowly with control all the way down. And take 5 deep breaths. Okay, so next one. And from here, interlace your hands behind your head, tuck your chin, your head off the floor. Then we are going to do scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And down. And take 5 deep breaths. Okay, the next one. From here, bring both leg about hover low and tuck your chin off head off the floor. 5 deep breaths. Breathe in for 2. Breathe in for 3. 4. And 5. Slowly down. 5 deep breaths. Catch a breath. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Okay, now flip around onto your belly and forearms down and interlace your finger together and belly button lifting up to the spine, and from here hold. Let's see 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1. Breathe in for 2. Breathe in for 3. Breathe in for 4. And breathe in for 5. Good job, guys. This sequence is designed to strengthen your core and tone your abs. You can do it every day. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!